Solving problems with the ECAS series. Acoustic Noise Reduction.
I'm in a tough spot, everyone. Please give me some advice. Do you have any suggestions for how to make it quieter?
It seems like Mr. A, electronic device designer, has some kind of problem.
One morning, I was looking at a wireless charger I designed on a popular e-commerce site. And I was surprised by the product reviews I saw at that time. There was an angry comment from Mr. B. Mr. B received a birthday present from his wife. It was a wireless charger he had wanted for some time. He tried using it right away that night. However, in the morning, he felt tired from a lack of sleep. He felt kind of strange. It was like there was a mosquito or some kind of bug in the bedroom. It seemed to be flying around all night. He had a business meeting with an important customer in the morning. However, he dozed off during his presentation. When he told his wife about his troubles at work, she also said that she felt sleepy all day and couldn't get her work done. What is the cause? What is that sound? Unbelievable! That is what I heard happened. Do you have any suggestions for how to quieten the noise during charging?
Mr. A has a problem. The main causes of noise in circuit boards mounted with electronic components are coil noise and MLCC, ceramic capacitor, acoustic noise when voltage is applied. With a regular MLCC, when voltage is applied, the dielectric element expands in the electric field application direction and contracts in the vertical direction. That may cause the mounted board to vibrate and for acoustic noise to be generated. Murata Manufacturing has 3 types of acoustic noise reduction capacitors. From among those 3 types, we introduce you here to acoustic noise reduction in the ECAS series of polymer aluminum electrolytic capacitors. The dielectric elements in the ECAS series are not distorted even when voltage is applied. Therefore, acoustic noise caused by voltage application is not generated. This contributes greatly to reducing noise. Measuring the S.P.L. including background noise reveals that the ECAS series can reduce the S.P.L. by approximately 40% compared to regular MLCCs. If you are a designer who is having troubles due to the generation of acoustic noise, replacing a regular MLCC with a capacitor in Murata's ECAS series can reduce unpleasant noise and vibrations. You can request free samples of ECAS series products on the Murata website. Please feel free to submit a request.